You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names correctly, as well as how to say more confusing names too many people mispronounce. Absolutely. So stay tuned to the channel, learn more and become participate in the community. A name of Romanian origin. In Romania it's said as Ionut. Ionut. Yes, I know the N has a ts sound because it normally has a little symbol below the T in the local language. Ionut. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.